Hey there, tech enthusiasts! Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews. Today, we have a practical accessory that can make a world of difference for Dell laptop users. The Dell 130W USB-C Type-C replacement AC adapter for Precision 5530. If you're tired of lugging your AC adapter around, this could be a game changer. Let's dive right into the details. Picture this. You're constantly on the move, and you find yourself lugging your AC adapter back and forth between your home and office. It's inconvenient, right? Well, that's where the Dell 130W USB-C Type-C replacement AC adapter comes in. It's designed to solve this problem by providing you with a second adapter, so you can keep one at home and one at the office or for travel. Now, let's talk about power. This adapter offers a substantial 130 watts of power. That's more than enough to power and charge your Dell laptop while you're using it. No more worrying about your laptop running out of juice during those crucial work sessions. Dell knows that cable management matters. That's why this adapter comes bundled with a 1-meter power cord. The included rubber strap makes it easy to keep your cables organized and tangle-free. Plus, there's a thoughtful LED light ring on the DC connector, making it easy to spot and connect even in low-light conditions. When it comes to compatibility, you can trust Dell. Genuine Dell-branded parts like this AC adapter undergo rigorous testing by qualified engineers to ensure compatibility and reliability with your Dell system. This means you won't have to worry about voiding your system's hardware warranty, unlike with non-Dell parts. Quality matters to Dell, and they use only OEM-grade quality components in their products. That's why they back this AC adapter with a limited 1-year warranty. If, by any chance, your genuine Dell-branded part should fail, Dell will replace it. That's peace of mind you can count on. Need technical support or have questions about your genuine Dell-branded parts upgrade? Dell's experienced technical support staff is just a call or click away. They're dedicated to ensuring that your Dell system runs smoothly with genuine Dell parts. Before we wrap up, let's quickly recap the features and specifications of the Dell 130W USB-C Type-C replacement AC adapter. It includes a 3-prong plug, and it's a powerful 130-watt adapter, perfect for Dell Precision 5530 users. In conclusion, the Dell 130W USB-C Type-C replacement AC adapter is a must-have for Dell laptop users who are always on the move. It's convenient, powerful, and backed by Dell's commitment to quality and customer satisfaction. That's a wrap on today's review of the Dell 130W USB-C Type-C replacement AC adapter. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech product analyses. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts on this adapter, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next video.